Welcome to our Gimbal Showdown. Today, we will be comparing two popular smartphone gimbals, the Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus Kit and the Insta360 Flow Pro. Both of these gimbals promise to deliver smooth, stabilized video for mobile creators, but they come with different features and price points. Let's dive into their specifications and see which one might be the right fit for you. When it comes to tracking capabilities, the Insta360 Flow Pro stands out with its advanced AI tracking features, including Deep Track 3.0, which can even track animals. In contrast, the Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus Kit focuses on providing smooth stabilization but lacks advanced tracking functionalities. If tracking moving subjects is crucial for your filming needs, the Insta360 Flow Pro is the better option. In terms of connectivity, the Insta360 Flow Pro features Apple Dock Kit integration, allowing for seamless use with iOS applications. This makes it particularly appealing for iPhone users who want to utilize the native camera app and third-party apps effortlessly. On the other hand, the Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus Kit does not offer any specific app integration, which may limit its usability for some users. Price is always a significant factor when making a purchase decision. The Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus Kit is priced at $109, making it a more affordable option for those looking for a reliable gimbal without breaking the bank. In contrast, the Insta360 Flow Pro comes at a higher price point of $149, reflecting its advanced features and capabilities. Depending on your budget and needs, you may find one more appealing than the other. In conclusion, both the Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus Kit and the Insta360 Flow Pro have their strengths and weaknesses. The Hohem is an excellent choice for those who want a versatile and affordable gimbal, while the Insta360 is perfect for users who prioritize advanced tracking and seamless integration with iOS devices. We hope this comparison helps you make an informed decision. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.